these are the roots of part of the roots of collected from a birch tree, an Alaska paper birch. And one of the things about these particular roots from this particular birch is that these are the roots from a tree that we're calling the One Tree. And One Tree is a project that we're engaging in here in Talkeetna, and it's about community building. And it's getting back to our roots. And basically it's recognizing that while we're a great little community here in Talkeetna, we're part of actually a much, much larger community all around us. As a matter of fact, it's the largest community on the planet. It's the largest terrestrial ecosystem in the world. It's the boreal forest of the circumpolar north. And this forest all around that our little community is in is but one little small niche within that huge terrestrial ecosystem. The circumpolar boreal forest is the largest specific species terrestrial ecosystem on the planet. It's got the largest volume by far of any other terrestrial ecosystem on the planet, the most biomass of life in the world. And so we're celebrating our small part in this greater community of the boreal forest by acknowledging the value of a single birch tree. We harvested this one tree and we brought it over to the elementary school and we showed the kids there. We brought it over roots and leaves and seeds and bark and all, and as an intact tree last fall. And we showed it to the kids and we milled it up. And the process is for our community to, with this one tree over the course of an entire year, is to make as many wood products out of this single tree with as little waste as possible. So we want to use the bark, we want to use the sawdust, we want to use the boards, we want to use the leaves and the seeds. And in so doing, by fostering a greater appreciation of a single birch tree, we'll be enhancing our understanding and appreciation of the boreal forest in which we live. You know, we're the imported culture here of human beings. And the birch trees and the spruce trees, they're the real locals. And so they're the quiet forest around us. They're the silent majority. And so hopefully over the course of the year, by enhancing our understanding, we'll be getting back to our roots. We have people who have projects where they're going to be doing creative things with the roots. And we also have the skin of the tree, the bark. And everybody can relate to the bark in terms of being a beautiful product that the Athabascans made beautiful birch bark canoes with. But they also made watertight birch bark baskets that they actually boiled water in. And so we're going to be working with the bark. And then obviously we've got branches, upper branches that have lots of potential for wonderful products. And then we've milled up boards, and then also this is just a remnant from last fall when we distributed. When we had the One Tree at the elementary school, we had this sign, and then we had a sign-up book, and I've got it with all the folks who signed up, and they had the various projects. They wrote down what part of the tree that they wanted for their particular project. So we've got a whole bunch of folks who we're starting to distribute the wood now. And it's really exciting. Everybody has about a year to make something, and it's going to just the process itself. I wish we could just drag it out for more than a year, just because the very process of getting together as a group over one specific tree, I've never done that before, and the people who are involved thus far are really excited about it.